Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chantal. First of all, I'm so sorry for the audio if it's echoing in here. Normally I do use a microphone, but child, I do not have the slightest idea where that is, so you're gonna have to bear with me. But yeah, as the title suggests, we are back yet again for yet another wig review, and this time this wig is from Wiggins Hair, this gorgeous highlighted ombre chocolate brown, whatever you want to call it, unit. So as usual, I am going to be going through the specs of it, my likes, my dislikes, and it's going to be the quickest installation I think I've ever done on here, except for maybe the time that I didn't actually install it, I just put it on. But if you haven't been here before, this is the home of the lazy wig wearer. I do not like gluing down my wigs. It is like my least favorite thing to do in this life. I get cussed out about it by my best friend all the time, but this is who I am, okay? And she's learned to love it, and hopefully you guys will too. And I am also the queen of the 5x5 closures. This is self-proclaimed, by the way, and this is purely because I am so bad at frontals. Like, I say bad in that I never try, because like the one time or two times that I have, it has just stressed my brain out. So I am gonna be kind of talking you guys, like I said, through the specs and stuff of this 5x5 wig. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you have any questions or anything about you want to know about the wig that I do not cover in this video, please let me know in the comments below. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the packaging is pretty standard. Obviously comes with this satin bag for storage, and this is the hair. So this is a body wave wig, 24-inch, 180 density, and I've learnt my lesson from the last time. I got a small wig cap. So you can see the colour of this hair, like the highlights on it. I was a little bit concerned about that dark kind of roots, but you'll see a little bit more throughout the video. And yeah, I was happy overall with the texture of the hair. There was no funny smell. So no complaints on first sight. There was no shedding when I washed the wig, and as standard comes with the combs inside. So I went ahead and bleached the knots and tweezed the edges. If you want to see a bit more of like how I do that, it will be in one of my previous wig videos, but just wanted you guys to get a closer look at the hair in kind of different lighting, just to see the colouring. I felt like the blonde was a little bit harsh, so I did use purple shampoo. I think I say silver in a second, but it was actually purple, which I felt like helped a lot. And yeah, this is how it came originally. So this is the wig after it has been washed. I also rinsed it in silver shampoo and then just put some slight like beach waves into it. So hopefully you guys can see, let me zoom out a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see kind of the wig in its full length and glory. But yeah, sorry, the lighting is just going to keep changing a little bit. One thing I'll say I wasn't the biggest fan of was the bleaching is quite harsh at the top. Like the black line just feels very, very harsh on the root. So I think I might go in and kind of bleach that myself, just to make it a little bit more of like a ombre kind of effect. But I'm happy with the way kind of the knots took to the bleach, the colour matching as well with my foundation and skin tint. As always, everything is linked below, and then you can see just here the T kind of where I've put my foundation. But yeah, let's put it on. Okay, so I'm actually about to do my hair in crochet, hence like all the tiny little twists that my hair is in, but I really wanted to show you guys this wig first before. Oh, I feel like, hold on, let me just fix this tuck in my hair. I can't lie, guys. Like I said, I was unsure about the colour at the beginning, but when it's on, it's giving, I don't know if I could say it, it wants to give, dare I say her name, it wants to give Beyonce. I'm gonna go there, okay? I'm gonna go there. It wants to give Beyonce-esque with the highlights. Again, guys, I can't reiterate it enough, maybe it feels a little bit less harsh now that it's on my head because I can't see it. But anyone taller than me, which isn't hard because I'm 5'3", will kind of see that harsh. But I feel like it's giving like beachy, like effortless waves. I can't lie. I'm a fan, and we're not even into the part of installing it. So you can see here, I personally don't feel like it needs much at all. Like, what? Okay, so obviously because my hair isn't part properly underneath, I feel like you would get a lot more definition on here if my hair was in middle part. But still, guys, I like it. I really do. I'm pleasantly surprised. Like, Wiggins Hair, really, they did that. So anyway, so we're gonna just slightly install for the sake of the video. It won't, you guys know me, I never do too much. So as a member of the bare minimum committee, I'm literally just only doing these little kind of side edge swoops on either side of my head. So I've done the other side already. I've gelled down my natural hair, which was kind of like my baby hairs were sticking out a little bit. And then I go ahead and use the ORS foam to kind of set the hair that I've trimmed there in place, just because I feel like, because it's a bit lighter weight, it doesn't have that like rigid look, so to speak. It just looks like they're naturally laying down flat a little bit. And I did this backwards because then I went ahead and shifted my whole wig to then glue it down. Like, I should have done my edges second. But this is how I say to you guys, I'm actually an amateur, because how can I make a mistake like that? So anyway, I'm gonna have to come back and redo this, but for the time being, I also use the ORS gel to glue down my hair. So that's what I'm applying here, just a thin layer of that, and then I go ahead and like let it sit for a little bit just to dry. You can obviously use a hairdryer on a cool setting or a fan, but today I was really doing it manually with my hand. And then after a few seconds, when it gets a little bit tacky, then you can bring the wig back forward. And I just use my nails or the edge of a comb to press that down, because as I've mentioned before, when you use your finger or anything like that, it's more likely to get like a white residue. So as you can see, I then obviously had to go ahead and redo my edges, which had completely shifted because I lifted the wig off my head. And then I think I forgot to do the other side actually properly, so you'll see it's still lifting up a little bit. But yeah, I just really wanted to make sure that it was pressed into place with the wig, and I feel like I could go ahead and bleach those knots again, but other than that, I'm happy. Okay guys, you know, I don't have to talk too much. I really do not. This wig grew on me, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna move back. You guys can see, I just love like the beachiness that I'm getting with these waves. Like, it's giving effortless kind of, it's giving me Selling Sunset. I don't know, like, I can't give you any further context or elaborate on that, but it's giving me Selling Sunset. I could be one of the girls. But yeah, let's look at the length as well, see where it comes up to me. Obviously this is curled. Okay, just had to let it refocus. This is genuinely like coming up halfway down my bum, and the quality of the hair is great. Obviously, as I mentioned, I wasn't too thrilled at the beginning about the stripy nature of the highlights, it felt to me, but I think once it's styled, it definitely like blends in a lot more. And as I mentioned, like, if I can't see the top, what's like, it's got nothing to do with me. Anyone taller than me, they can argue amongst themselves. But yeah, I think I'll like to try it in like a side a side part or something one day, but that's obviously going to be another video, or maybe I'll do it on my Instagram. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful, and if there are any brands that you guys want me to try as well, please let me know in the comments below, and maybe we can get something going. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Side note, before I leave, you guys make sure that you go back and check out all of my other wig reviews. I try and cover a range of different styles for you guys. So we've got the boss, we've got the deep wave. Like, if it's out there, my goal is to have tried it. So we're making our way there. But yeah, in the meantime, make sure you guys go check them out. Okay, I'm going for real. Bye.